Let's see how to make your Adobe Reader app read out loudly for you. Go to your Adobe Reader and open your PDF first of all, and then click on menu, hover over on view, and here hover over on read out loud. Now we have to activate read out loud, so you can click on that, or you can just press Shift Ctrl Y to activate.
We are featuring interior
read out
design
loud
products for the living room and the kitchen, all of
And
which
now
are based
you
on
have
the
to
idea
select the
of giving
text you
off
want
the
to read out
television
loud.
show Hell's Kitchen shows the adrenaline the kitchen can give you. Kitsch. This part of the
And
catalog
here we can
shows how
see
our interior
my
designers can
Adobe
offer a
Reader
light
is
feeling in
reading
the
out
kitchen and
loudly this
create
part.
heaven's kitchen. Just like when kitchen pegboard, long, wooden, and rectangular high-rise bar stools made of pine wood.
Now again go to menu, hover over on view, hover over on read out loud, and here you can see if you want to pause, you can just press Shift Ctrl C, and to stop you can press Shift Ctrl E, and you can also enable only read this page by pressing Shift Ctrl V.
Long, wooden, and rectangular
And
pegboard
then
that can be adjusted.
I'm just stopping it for now. Okay, now again go to menu and open preferences, and here under categories select reading, and here you can change your read out loud option volume, and you can uncheck this option to select a different read out loud voice from here, then click on OK, and thanks for watching.